Very important part today we are going to do. If this chapter part will be there in the taught by the teacher, then definitely it will come for 4 marks. First few definitions. Meaning of projectile. If I throw the body vertically upward, then in which direction it will travel? This body. If I throw this body vertically upward, in which direction it will travel?
Upwards.
Upward, 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 upward. It will travel upward. If I throw it horizontally, then
It will go like a parabola.
no. It will be horizontal, horizontal, horizontal.
Horizontally, yeah.
But when I project it obliquely, then what you said is parabola. That means if I project a body in air, making angle with horizontal, then it will follow this path. This is called parabola. This is called circle. This is called straight line. So that body which is not projected vertically upwards, not projected horizontally, but inclined, uska naam hai projectile. So we can say a body projected obliquely in air, making some angle with horizontal is called as projectile. A body projected obliquely in air, making some angle with horizontal is called as projectile. Followed? Who is called projectile? Any body which is projected inclined, that means some angle with horizontal is called projectile. Right? First definition, a body projected obliquely in air, making some angle with horizontal is called as projectile. Yes, completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Projectile is nothing but a body projected obliquely in air, making some angle with horizontal. Second, angle of projection. These are basic definitions. Angle of projection. See, this is horizontal, this is vertical, this is the body projected obliquely in air, so it is making some angle. So in very simple language, I can say angle made by velocity with horizontal is called as angle of projection. See, body इतना बड़ा नहीं रहता है, body तो एक particle है. We are studying the motion of small object. So they are like dots. Dot will not make angle, but its velocity is making angle. That angle is called angle of projection. So I can say like this: angle made by projectile with the velocity of projectile with the horizontal is called as angle of projection. Starting angle, we usually write theta 0. Angle made by velocity of projectile with horizontal is called as angle of projection, denoted by theta. Here I am writing definition. The angle made by velocity of projectile with horizontal is called as angle of projection. It is denoted by theta. Right. The angle made by velocity of projectile with horizontal is called as angle of projection. It is denoted by theta 0. One second. हेलो हाँ अरे यार न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ मोशन खाली लॉ ऑफ मोशन में भी हो सकता है लॉ ऑफ मोशन हाँ खाली लॉ ऑफ मोशन तो भी चलेगा वही होगा है ना कुछ चैप्टर लॉ ऑफ मोशन या तो मोशन प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन के बाद ही है लॉ ऑफ मोशन अब तो सब पूरा टेक्स्ट बुक देख लेना समझ आएगा आपने जो अल्फा माइंड को भेजा ना उधर इधर एस ट्यूटोरियल्स कोर्स में होगा completed then please tell me.
Yes.
Right. Third definition is velocity of projection. Velocity of projection. The velocity of projectile is called as velocity of the projectile at the start. At the start is called as velocity of projection. That means if you throw a body with speed of, let us take 10 meter per second obliquely at angle 30 degree, then this 30 degree becomes angle of projection and this becomes velocity of projection. So initial velocity or velocity of projectile at the start is called as velocity of projection. Completed now? One very good derivation I have to start today after completing 5 definitions. Completed? Okay, third one also completed, I think. Now going to fourth and fifth definition. Fourth one, projectile motion. Projectile motion of projectile is called as projectile motion. 1 second, wait. Second, trajectory of projectile motion. The path of projectile motion. The path of projectile motion is called as trajectory. Right, this much. Then one derivation. The path of projectile motion is called as trajectory. Any curve is in fact called trajectory.
So can you repeat the velocity of projection definition?
Velocity of projectile at the start is called as velocity of projection. Velocity of projectile at the start is called as velocity of projection.
Thank you.
Next. Completed? Yes, next one. See. If this is one vector, we can have its two components such that one is suppose horizontal, then other has to be vertical. Angle between these two is 9. They are called as rectangular components. अब वो मुझे नाम मत बताओ, समझा नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? पहला क्या बोला आपने? हाँ, इस चौथा क्या है? फोर्स में हाँ 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 चलो फोर्स में हाँ बेस्ट हाँ वापस लेते हैं. Suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is one vector making angle theta. We can have its two parts, one in horizontal, other in vertical. This is called as horizontal component, and this one is called as vertical component. If this is A, suppose this is AX, this is AY. So I can say cos theta is adjacent side AX upon hypotenuse A. So AX is A cos theta. This becomes side which is adjacent to theta, called as horizontal component. From same figure, sin theta equals to opposite side. This is same as AY upon A. AY is A sin. That means theta का बाजू वाला will be always in cos, the other part will be in sin, called as rectangular component. I'm just drawing the diagram. You have to tell me the component का value, starting from Amen. Hello Amen.
Yes, sir.
I am showing one vector. Suppose this is f and this is theta. So what will be this component? Cos or sin?
Cos.
Very good. And this one will be sin.
Sine.
Well,
Yes, sir.
if this is one vector mg, I'm showing downward. It has two rectangular components which are perpendicular to each other, and this angle is theta. So what will be this component?
Sir, this will be sin theta.
No, theta का बाजू वाला is cos, mg cos. This will be mg sin. Okay? Anmol, you said if this is t, these are two components. Which will be t cos? Which will be t cos? चलो अनमोल बोलो फटाफट. Which will be t cos? You can't say because theta बोला ही नहीं ना मैंने. If this is theta, then what about this component? If this is theta, so what about this first wala t cos na? And this will be t sin theta. Proof?
Yes, sir.
If this is m, I have its two part. This is theta. So what about this?
M cos theta.
Very good. The other one will be m sin theta.
M sin theta.
Yes. Nija. Hello Nija.
So,
This is a vector. I split into two parts perpendicular to each other. If this is f, and this is theta. So what about this component?
Cos theta.
F cos theta. The other will be F sin theta. That means from this I got idea adjacent to theta. Adjacent to theta will be always in cos. The other one will be in sine. What are three kinematical equations?
V is equal to U plus S AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square equals to 2AS.
E square equals to U square plus 2as. मैंने ऐसा रखा है. These are three kinematical equations. If I throw the body up vertically upward, then what is acceleration acting on this body?
G.
G
And G is acting downward. No?
minus G.
So we'll say it is minus G. When I throw it horizontally, then
G.
there is no acceleration in horizontal direction, it is zero. So if acceleration is zero, what about velocity? Changing or not changing?
Constant.
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 So here if it is 10, what will be here? 10, 10, 10 every. Okay? Hello?
Yes.
Now write new heading, which I said guaranteedly they will ask in. So that projectile motion is parabolic in nature. So that projectile motion is parabolic in nature. Because it is projectile, that means it is neither thrown vertically upward nor horizontal, but it is projected inclined, making some angle with horizontal. That angle is called as angle of projection, and velocity is called as velocity of projection. It can have two components. Theta ka बाजू वाला is u cos theta 0. The other one is u sin theta 0. So when I consider a projectile or a body to be projected obliquely in air with initial velocity u, making angle theta 0 with horizontal, then u can be resolved into two components, u cos theta along horizontal, u sin theta 0 along vertical. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Just draw this diagram. This much you write down. Very important derivation. Fix for the college exam. Is completed.
Yes, sir.
Now see. If we throw body upward, it will go on moving up, up, up. If horizontal, it is going on horizontal. But inclined, then it will go and come back. ऐसा path आता है. ये path को बोलते हैं parabola. ये prove करना है कि ये path का parabola nature होता है. Parabola means if you get one variable x, other variable y connected together, highest power इसका 2 चाहिए, इसका 1. ऐसा shape वाला curve को parabola. So when it is thrown upward, it will move upward again come down. So at any instant, if this is velocity making angle with horizontal, then this is v cos, I will call this as vx and this as vy. So let v be the velocity at any instant such that vx, vy are its horizontal and vertical component. So this is the path, here is the body, तो ये उसका velocity होएगा, दो component इधर है तो ये velocity, ये दो component इधर है तो ये velocity, देखिए दो component. For curve, to find velocity at any point, we draw tangent. तो इसका दो component रहता है, horizontal. Clear? This much diagram तक clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, till diagram you are having confidence of what I told? Again I am repeating this. Consider a body to be projected obliquely in air with initial velocity u making angle theta 0 with horizontal. Hence, it has two components, u cos theta along horizontal, u sin theta along vertical. Let Vx, Vy be the horizontal and vertical velocity at any instant t. मतलब कोई भी टाइम t के बाद. इतना डायग्राम बना लो, फिर मैं आगे एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. वो कल सैटरडे जाना है उधर, कर दिया, वो कर दिया. और कल उधर जाना है, मैं एड्रेस भेजता हूँ. हाँ, क्योंकि ना वापस 1 बजे अपने को ऑफिस में आना है. नहीं डायरेक्ट जाओ ना, क्यों उधर आके क्या निकलोगे? हाँ, फिर उधर आके क्या करना है टाइम वेस्ट करके? डायरेक्ट घर से निकल जाओ ना, जल्दी पहुंचोगे. ठीक है, ठीक है, मैं एड्रेस भेजता हूँ. हेलो हेलो. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, diagram part is for, again I am repeating this. We have to show that this entire motion is parabola. That means relation between actually horizontal and vertical, such that एक का पावर 2 होना चाहिए, दूसरे का पावर 1. आ गया तो मैं बोलूंगा इट इज पैराबोला, नहीं आया तो नॉट पैराबोला, चेक करते हैं, डायग्राम खत्म हो गया। आई एम जस्ट कैंसलिंग एवरीथिंग, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी easy if you have understood. You tell me what is motion here, horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
Now,
Horizontal.
now, both, na? Because this is going horizontal, vertical, horizontal,
Yes.
vertical, horizontal, vertical, and then pushing itself, na, like this. So whenever it is oblique path, then it has got horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical motion together, and then it comes in the plane, so that when you join, it will become like a curve. That means in projectile motion, there are two paths, horizontal as well as vertical. So I'm first starting for horizontal motion. Horizontal motion. Initial velocity u in horizontal direction is u cos theta 0. Final velocity v in horizontal direction, we have taken vx. Time we don't know. Acceleration is 0. Suppose displacement is x. Since s equal to ut plus half at square, x equals to, along x, initial velocity is u cos theta 0. Time is we don't know. A is 0 into t square. So x will be u cos theta 0 into t. So t is x upon u cos theta 0. That means when body has moved by distance x in horizontal, then time taken is x upon u cos theta. अभी x भी गया, साथ में y भी जाएगा, इसलिए एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाएगा। तो इट इज नॉट कि फर्स्ट खाली x x x कवर करेगा, बाद में y y, साथ में ही कवर करते हैं। x अगर 3, y अगर 4, तो इधर आ गया सेम टाइम में, तो ज्वाइंट करेंगे तो मुझे कर। So I got so far time in terms of x for horizontal motion. I hope you followed meaning. Hello?
Yes.
देखो एकदम सिंपल है, प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन में दो मोशन, एक हॉरिजॉन्टल एक वर्टिकल। तो एक बार मैं हॉरिजॉन्टल लूंगा, कुछ तो मिलेगा, फिर वही कुछ तो को वर्टिकल में डाल दूंगा, आंसर मिलेगा। फिर से बताओ कि समझ गया इधर तक हॉरिजॉन्टल वाला? निजा, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
you followed till this?
Yes.
Okay, others also have followed, then please copy.
Yes.
Yes, yes, copy till last line.
1 minute, sir.
Copy it for till last. So for horizontal motion, initial velocity, final velocity, time, acceleration, displacement, I just wrote and used kinematical equation. They reached up to t equals to x upon u cos theta 0. Done.
Answer.
Okay. I'm clearing, huh, then. Okay, no objection. Yeah.
No, sir.
In now vertical motion, let us see what will happen. Initial velocity in vertical is u sine theta 0. Final velocity in vertical we took vy. Time we now got x upon u cos theta 0. Displacement is suppose y. Acceleration is acting downward due to gravity minus g. S formula is ut plus half at square. S means y. U along y is u sine theta 0. And P is x upon u cos theta 0 plus half into minus g. P is x upon u cos theta 0 square of it. U and u I can cancel. So it is x times tan theta 0 minus half into g x square upon u square cos square. Let this tan theta is constant or variable? Tan theta 0
Constant.
constant, because if this value is 30, 40, 50, it can't change, it is fixed. So I can say let tan theta 0 equal to a, just to make it easier, and half constant. G is also constant. U square cos square theta 0. This whole thing are constant, I can call. So we can say, okay, just copy to this. Then two more lines here. Copy.
Done, sir.
Yes. Just two more lines so that we can complete this derivation. In vertical motion, uy equals to u sine theta 0, vy is vy, t is x upon u cos theta 0, s is y, a is minus t. So I substituted it in the formula of kinematical equation. Ut plus half at square, where u is u sine theta 0 and time we got x upon u cos theta 0. Let x tan theta 0 equals to a and half g upon u square cos square theta 0 equals to b, where now a, b are constant because tan theta 0 is constant, half g upon u square cos square theta 0 is constant. So we get y as ax minus bx square. Now tell me, what is highest power of x on the right hand side? 2 or not? 2. And y का power 1. जब भी ऐसा आता है ना, आप मैथ्स में नेक्स्ट ईयर पढ़ने वाले पैराबोला, this shows that projectile motion is parabolic in nature. So whenever we have two variable x and y, highest power of x is 2, highest power of y is 1, then it is called parabola. So this path is parabolic in nature. Very important fixed question for 4 marks. Complete till end, then you take 2 minutes, check everything from start. Any doubt, you please ask.
Sir, could you please explain how did we arrive at the y equation?
Y equal to, how we arrive to what? Y equal to?
Y is equal to ax minus bx square.
Okay. See, this part you saw? This part? I have not.
Yeah, yeah.
In
Yes,
that,
sir.
what we took tan theta 0? A.
A.
So becomes ax.
Oh, right. Yeah, yeah. Sorry.
Got it.
Yeah.
And this part we have taken as
G वाला part. Yeah.
yeah. So अभी ये वाला part थोड़ा रटने वाला होगा आगे. Formula बाहर करना पड़ेगा. I didn't started many more problem because थोड़ा theory भी चाहिए ना बीच में. Can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
You all just take 1 or 2 minutes, read everything. Wherever you feel you have not understood, tell me again.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. No? Okay. Few notes we have to study. For numerical, this will be useful. So first note, in projectile motion, the horizontal velocity is always constant. Very important. Is always constant. That is u cos theta. Because there is no acceleration, therefore velocity is constant. The vertical velocity changes such that Vy equals to ui minus gt. So this will be u sine theta 0 minus g. So remember, in case of projectile, horizontal will be always same, vertical will keep on changing, which is u sine theta 0 minus g. Now copy the 2 point. हाँ अच्छा ठीक है बोलो। हाँ बस कंप्लीट है। Hello, can it be clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third point. Thus, velocity at any instant in projectile motion, comma v is root of vx square plus vy square, where vx is u cos theta 0 and vy is u sine theta 0 minus g. This we followed by Pythagoras theorem because two components are vertical, horizontal, so result is Pythagoras. Reason, two vectors are perpendicular, then result is always you can find by Pythagoras theorem. It is clear from the diagram. One more small point, then we will stop today after completing that point. All are very important points. Anmol, in your class they have started this part projectile वाला?
Yes sir, yes sir.
हाँ, अभी आपको देखो धीरे धीरे क्लिक होएगा कि वो जो सिखा रहे थे क्या था।
हाँ सर।
एक्चुअली मैंने आपके लिए पार्ट पहले कर लिया था।
ओके सर।
Can I clear now this third part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fourth one. If y is function of t, function of t means y ka formula is like 2t square plus 2t minus 3. So when y depends upon t, we say y is function of t. What will be derivative of y with respect to time called as? If y depends upon t, that means function of t, What will be derivative of y with respect to time called as? Velocity, na? Rate of change of displacement with respect to time is called as velocity. Agreed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now when time is 0, then this velocity dy by dt is u in y direction. If x is function of time, then dx by dt is also velocity, but along x direction. When time is 0, then dx by dt will become ux. So by putting 0, I got initial velocity in x and y direction. Net velocity will be ux square plus uy square. And angle tan theta 0, tan theta 0 means angle of projection will be uy upon ux. So favorite question in MCQ, y is function of t, x is function of t. Find initial velocity of projection and angle of projection. So take derivative, you get velocity, put 0, then you get initial along y. For x, you will get along x. Result is Pythagoras theorem. To get angle of projection, uy upon copy. Yes, done till end.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Can I clear now full?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today.